Okay, so I looked out the window today, and here's what I saw. This is what happens in upstate New York sometimes when it melts. The ice is melting, and there's some ice over there that fell down on top of the house. Usually, what I'll do is I'll knock ice off the house, but if you ever move to the Northeast and the snow and ice starts to melt, watch opening the doors and where you stand because you may encounter falling ice. And you'll hear it too, falling off buildings and stuff sometimes. Most of the time, things are pretty safe. I mean, we knock the ice down. We don't usually have situations like that, but I did see that this morning and I wasn't exactly sure what it was, but this fell on an old phone line that was attached to the house, so we were fortunate because we still have electrical wires where we live that are high in the air, and so those are concerns that we always have. So there you go. Falling ice in upstate New York. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.